maybe just bring a poncho in case one of those pop-up showers or storms anticipated this afternoon pops up right over Kauffman Stadium. Rain is beginning to end or decrease in northeast Kansas, northern Missouri, but there's some spots that are probably over 7 inches by now. Here from Maryville, Bethany, and Trenton, flash flood conditions will continue through the morning. Here in Kansas City, be ready for those pop-up storms at lunchtime through the evening. And it is going to be a very warm and oppressively humid day here in Kansas City. Tomorrow, sunny, hot and humid, 93. Highs are going to hold in the low 90s through the weekend, so be ready for a long stretch of seasonally hot conditions. Daily chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms will continue Thursday through next Monday.